अगर एक सुपर चैट आया है हर्षल का,
सुपर चैट के लिए सैलरी आने का वेट कर रहे हैं लोग. Oh, because yeah, it's the end of the month.
month end.
So tomorrow is the big day for Chess Miss India.
हाँ.
नहीं फर्स्ट ना
First,
तानिया.
First, Tanya. We'll also get our salary. By the way, talking of salary, Gukesh and Ding get $200,000 for every win. I was thinking they get one flat in Mumbai every time they win. 2 BHK. It's like 1.6 crores.
So
Or 1.7
yesterday's win,
crores.
And day before yesterday, Gukesh's third round victory.
Yeah. He
Is
can already
1.6
buy.
crores.
He got 1.7. It's like right now the dollar is 85 for one. Sorry,
A lot of money.
85 rupees for $1.
For one game.
Yes, 1.7 crores
Can you
per
imagine?
game.
Sagar bhai,
Crazy पैसा
do you
है.
think this would even 1% influence the decision in any case ever?
I think at the end, even if you don't make all that money this way, you are still going to go back with at least somewhere around $1 million. तो 8 करोड़ रुपए तो तुम हारो तो भी लेके ही जाने वाले हो. So it's not a small amount. I think at the end they won't mind so much, but it's such a big it's an incentive in some way. Like if you make 4 wins, you already are richer by like
5
6.8
BHK in
crores.
Delhi, in Bombay.
Who wants to be a millionaire? Chess edition. Khatam.
But you know, to answer your question, I think the bigger picture is not that for the
Yeah.
players at all, but it's definitely a bonus. Speaking of salaries, you know, at the end of it, it is a lot of money. Opportunity आएगा तो ले लेंगे, but it's not कि भाई because ये है, I will take crazy risks on the board. The bigger picture is always just the world championship. What
हाँ.
is best in the position?
Yeah.
Like if you become the world champion, you will get more invitations, more appearance fee, more brands, more stuff. I think just being the world champion increases your brand a lot.
More brand deals. We saw somebody do a brand deal yesterday as well.
Yes.
So yeah.
Arjun Erigaisi did
Yeah,
a brand
yeah,
deal
yeah.
yesterday.
That was crazy.
No, you did see?
No.
It's amazing acting, by the way. Love his
Yeah.
acting as well.
He showed his game where he beat Magnus in 20 moves, and it was very nice, very cute. That ad.
Was it something to do with Ferrari?
Something related to speed.
Speed. Yeah.
Yeah.
But tell me something. If you win, then you get $200K, right? But if you lose, is it like that is?
Then you get sad.
No. Good one. No, is it like it is taken away from you?
No, there's no fine for losing. The fine is what happens to your mind after that. No, there's nothing. And draw, the players don't get anything, either of them. So every win, close to 1.7 crores, which is a lot of money. But again, I really don't think that's on their minds when they're playing.
But just on this note, I want to say a big shout out to FIDE and Singapore Chess Federation because they managed to get Google as a sponsor. And this is actually a very cool thing for chess that more and more companies are coming in to sponsor the events. Abhi Google hai, maybe more you know.
I know. I mean, you know how they found Google?
Yeah.
They went to Google. They said, we need a sponsor. Google said, मैं हूँ ना.
Arey, Amruta.
किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार?
Nice.
Such a bad one. But समय नहीं है ना, तो चलता है.
Filling Samay's gap here, Amruta. Not in the best way
No,
possible,
in
The
but
worst way possible.
मेरे को अच्छा लगा था.
हाँ,
अच्छा जोक था.
बढ़िया जोक था. Yes, full
So-
support.
Full support.